Hi, Greg Gagnon here. Once again, we want to share with you one of the most well-kept secrets by the insurance industry. And this little tip alone will help you save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on your insurance bills every year. It's a very simple concept, but I want to take and break it down into smaller numbers so everybody can get it and make sure that you're not spending more money than you have to on your insurance. First, let's talk about the insurance companies. Doesn't matter which company you choose. When you look at the TV, what do you see every commercial? It's somebody telling you that they're going to save you 15%, right? And the way they know they can do this is because what they have is you sitting in the big bucket. You are sitting in their big bucket right here. And what this is this is their book of business. This is all the people that they have insured. And what happens is they want to go out and attract new people and they want to bring them, but they've got to bring them into the little bucket. And here's why. Because if they put them into the big bucket, the one way that they're going to try to attract these people is by lowering prices. If they lower prices on 1,000 people, so that, and each one of those people is paying $1,000, they've lowered 1,000 down to 900, and now at 900, they've only got $900,000 worth of premium. They can't take and lower that with the expectation of growing 10%, because if they grow 10%, they're getting the exact same amount of premium, except they've got 10% more people. This is a bad deal because the exposure is greater, they're going to have more losses, they lose money on this. So what they do is they keep you in this big bucket. You're paying more, and every year your rate slides up and up and up, unless you shop. Unless you go and look to the other company and get into their little bucket. They won't let you into their little bucket, but you can go somewhere else and go into their little bucket. Now, this little bucket is designed with better pricing. The only people that can come in here are the clean people, so you can come in and you've got no tickets, you got no accidents, you can get the very best pricing from anybody else you talk to. So it's really important every 3 to 5 years that you get out of somebody else's big bucket and into somebody's little bucket. This is why an independent agent can help you best, because a lot of times you don't want to change agents. You really get along good. Kind of like politics. You hate politics, we hate insurance companies, but we like the person we're doing business with. So that said, by dealing with an independent agent, and I learned this after 30 years of being a captive, I have more options to make sure you're happy. And when some company's big bucket gets filled, I can move you to a little bucket without having to say, gosh, I'm sorry, I can't do business with you anymore. So this is it in a nutshell. Make sure every 3 to 5 years we've compared. The market changes all the time, and we want to get you that very best pricing. I saved one of my friends $4,000 moving him from somebody's big bucket into the little bucket, and this was on 3 cars and a house. The numbers just get crazy because every year they go up and up. So take a minute, look at your own policies. We'd love to help you if we can. Thanks and have a great day. We'll talk to you again soon.